So we have a whirlpool, a washer. It's not draining. So to do that, you need to tilt it back so you can access on water pump. Or if you have a dolly, I'm just set it on my dolly and I can reach underneath, and I will replace that drain pump already. So as you can see, I put it on my dolly, tilted that way so I can easily access on water pump. So let's remove one by one if I get on shadow. So once we're done, these two screws, and then we need to remove this wire. If you do this one at home, so make sure tilt it that way. If it's have some water on them, so it's not gonna drain to the floor, so you're gonna miss a lot. This is the easy way, so you can prevent the water and not leaking around. So once we're done with that one, so once we done with those screws, so we need to remove these two clips. Just pinch it, and then the other one, just like that. Then we can have just like that, and this one. So and we now need to replace this one. Yes, I can see. So so once you put it everything back, and so these clips goes up, which is the way we take it off, then we can put it back, and just like this. Okay, same thing on this one, all the way, and so we make sure we are level. Then we can put this wire back, and once you set up those two, so the easy way, so connect those drain hoses first. Then once you're done with those two, so you can now easily put these are back. So thank you so much for watching. If this video helped out, don't forget to subscribe, and see you next videos.